For today's video, I'll teach you on how to draw animals using numbers. Are you excited? I'm sure you are, so come on! Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First, let's draw number 1. Wow! It's a giant giraffe! One giraffe. Next, let's draw number 2. Can you guess what's in the drawing? Yes! It's a snake! Let's count. 1, 2, 2 snakes. Are you ready for the next number? Alright, let's move to number 3. Look at that. A cute panda. Count. 1, 2, 3. 3 cute pandas. Good job! Let's move to number 4. It's a baby shark. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 baby sharks. Very good. Let's proceed. Draw number 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 busy beavers. Next up, draw your best number 6. It's a smiling fish. Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 smiling fishes. Let's continue. Draw number 7. Hooray! A mighty horse! Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mighty horses. Next, draw number 8. Oh look! It's a playful penguin! Let's count all the penguins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 playful penguins. Awesome! Now, draw number 9. Oh, it's a slow snail. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 snails. Perfect! Finally, follow me and draw number 10. Let's do this. Yes, it's a howling owl. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 howling owls. Great job! Let's count all together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done! Now you can try and make your own drawing using numbers. Thank you so much for watching, and kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. Till next time!